Hi everyone, welcome to Imagine Wealth, and this is our weekly recap for the stock market. So basically what happened this week is a very dismal showing. The US stock indices fell for the fourth week in a row. It went down from 2% to 4%. The Nasdaq and the SP 500 and the Dow also lost around 23%. This is the record high since November 19, 2021. Also, the US economy reversed this year, especially for the first quarter, because the annual rate was around 1.4% and it usually grows around 5.7%. So it shows it's going through a speed bump. So that's what the people are saying, and hopefully the result of the second quarter will be a little better. We'll see what will happen. One good thing actually we saw is the dollars in demand. The US dollar value versus any other currency climbed on Thursday to be one of the highest levels since March 2020. Now another news is actually the spike that's happening with the stock market. It's been calm for the first half of April, but now this past 2 weeks, it actually produced a 47% jump in the index. Now this is a short-term volatility, but it's actually showing a growth in the market. And the index, this past Friday was actually at 33%, up from 22% in the past April 15th. So it's a really good sign. So the market is trying to get back to how it was. It's gonna go slow, but it's eventually gonna get there. Now another update is about inflation. The US Federal Reserve preference gauge for tracking inflation posted the highest 12 months. Now, as April personal consumption exceptionary price index jumped 6.6%. So people are buying stuff. A report showing that even though everything is going up high, Americans are still buying food products and the basic needs. So it has rose 5% despite of the high prices. Well, also another news in the stock market is that Elon Musk bought Twitter. We'll see what's gonna happen. He might make it just open to everyone, no restrictions or nothing, or he might make it like the way it still is. I have no idea, but it's definitely something to think about. Now we're gonna go over some crypto news. The Switzerland central bank they're contemplating the idea of buying Bitcoin. One of the chairmen said. So if that happens, just imagine that. Another thing is ApeCoin, which is a coin made with the NFT, the lazy apes, or I believe that's how it's called. And that NFT actually made a coin. It's called ApeCoin, and that token actually surged 50% over the past week. So keep an eye on that. Then one other news for Dogecoin, actually, the Dogecoin founder says Doge Ethereum bridge will boost token quality. So we'll see. If you have Dogecoin, just keep an eye on this. And then one last thing, Dogecoin might soon be able to perform online transaction. Oh no, I'm sorry, offline transactions using Starlink technology. That's pretty big. If Dogecoin does this, then we're definitely going to see some changes. Now, this was Imagine Wealth, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.